Kim Townsel here. Let me show you this great fan that I received. This is the HOM Portable Neck Fan. It's quite easy to operate, very sophisticated looking. The HOM Portable Neck Fan helps you beat the heat anywhere, anytime. Helps you to stay cool for up to 18 hours. In the box it has the neck fan and a C charging cable. Here are the specifications if you would like to pause the video and look at those. We have an instruction guide, the charging cable, and the fan, nicely packaged. It's quite attractive, sleek. Has a comfort band that goes around the neck, adjustable. It comes with a charging cable, but it doesn't come with a plug to go in an electrical outlet. Plug that in there. Put the charger in, and the indicator light is flashing. When it's fully charged, the light will go off. This is the power switch. Cut it once for low, twice for medium, 3 times for high, 1 more time for off. Naturally, it's going to get louder the higher the speed. This is the intake valves where the air comes in, and it reminds you to keep your hair away from that. And this is where the air blows out. So point that part up towards your face, the part that you want cooled. It's quite easy to bend. I accidentally cut it on. So that's on low. Feels really nice. Cool air is blowing like right towards here. And the switch is down here. Touch it 1 time for low, twice for medium, and the 3rd time for high. That feels really nice. That's a lot of cool air. This is going to be pleasant in hot summertime when I'm outside. Thanks for watching my video about the HOM Portable Neck Fan. Please consider giving the video a thumbs up and leave a positive comment if you like. Remember to check in the text below and I'll provide a link on how you can buy this product. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Until next time, let's just help each other keep finding practical solutions to problems. Bye. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Thank you very much. Bye.